What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jto, which has pumped up just about 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $4.14. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Jto, guys. Is it going to keep pumping, potentially hitting $5 over the coming days, weeks and so on, or even in the coming hours? Can it pump up to $5, or is it going to go the other way and drop back down in value, or is it going to maintain its value around $4? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over this weekend and early next week. What can we expect, and how much is it going to move value wise in a positive or negative direction? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we are looking at the hourly chart as well. As you guys can see, the MACD indicator is not full. Only reason is because there is not much data on the crypto right now. It was literally listed about not even 48 hours ago. So what we're going to be going through is the short-term prediction. But because you guys are onto this crypto, looking into it, I've been uploading daily and doing predictions on it daily. So if you guys keep that coming, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below, and also make sure you stay subscribed to the channel as well. So as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours 20%, over the last 7 days 150%, but it was listed on the 7th of December, I presume, yes, which was about 2 days ago. However, it's done way more than 150%, guys. It's done more than 1,000% according to Binance, because Binance is where it was initially listed, and was at around 4 p.m. on Thursday, I believe. Oh, sorry, not Thursday, on the 7th of December at 4 p.m. As you guys can see at the bottom here, we've got the time. However, on CoinMarketCap, it was listed about 20 or 25 minutes later. As you guys can see, it says 4:25, hence why that little 25 minutes can make a big difference. So again, just a little disclaimer, guys, before I go into the price prediction. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days. What can we expect? We're not going to go to the 4-hour chart or the daily chart. As you guys can see, the MACD indicator disappears due to the lack of data on the crypto. So zooming into the 15-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Jto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Jto to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping just below $4 is what I'm expecting. However, that does not mean that it's not going to hit any more green candles. It's likely to head up to about $4.20, $4.30 as well over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down below $4 over the next 12 to 14 hours. So yes, do expect an overall minimal drop in value. As you guys can see, it's already started to drop a little bit, and it's likely to drop further over the coming hours as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Looking a little bit more skeptical. As you guys can see, the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Jto? So over the next 2 to 3 days, it means that it is likely to fluctuate around its current price range of about $4.20. However, I am expecting it to go up in value over the next 2 to 3 days. So very early next week, we should be getting closer to the $5 mark is what my expectations are. Probably about $4.50, $4.60 is where I'm expecting Jto to be trading at over the next 2 to 3 days. Slow and steady increases in value. But of course, as usual, it is likely to hit red candles in between as well, where it takes a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a step back. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at the moment seems to be more on the positive side. So yeah, so far so good. Over the next 2 to 3 days, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Jto. So Let's have a look at the quick news, guys. As you guys can see, Solana based Jito skyrockets 40%, is $5 next. So yes guys, if I didn't mention before, Jito is Solana based and the value of Solana has also been increasing as well. So Jito cryptocurrency is Solana backed token that recently gained noteworthy traction within the broader crypto market as it experienced a massive surge in its price. In fact, let's have a look at its trading volume. As you guys can see, $1.1 billion, guys. Even though it has dropped by 34% in the last 24 hours, the trading volume is absolutely crazy. Since when it initially got launched, the trading volume was 22 million and has now gone up all the way up to $1.1 billion, which is a huge increase in trading, meaning it is getting a lot of traction in the crypto market. A lot of people are looking into it, a lot more traders from both buying and sellers point of view. But because it's only been around for 2 days, I'm presuming most people are buying into it. Unless you're a short-term trader, you're buying, selling. So let's have a look here. Jito stands as the second largest liquid staking LSD protocol, catering to Solana users seeking to trade and borrow Solana tokens locked with validation. Jito's primary asset acts as a depository receipt for staking Solana. Furthermore, the token orchestrates profits from both the staking processes within the Solana network. Besides, it also generates moonlight income via the Jito's MEV-style method of auctioning block spaces. Again, not going to go into too much detail, guys. The Jito price, while writing, witnessed a colossal upswing of 26%, reaching $4 as right now it is trading above $4.13. Meanwhile, the Solana price also witnessed a jump aligning with Jito's price spike. As I mentioned before as well, Solana is also pumping. As of writing, the Solana price stood at $77, soaring 5% over the past day. Moreover, the token also noted a weekly upswing of 23%. Simultaneously, Jito's price surge may be linked to the jump witnessed by Solana, which again does make sense because it is a Solana backed crypto. As the Jito token continues to soar whippingly, crypto market enthusiasts eagerly wait the next milestone for the cryptocurrency, which is the $5 mark, guys, which it should be on the way to. But to predict that for the next couple of days, mid to end of next week, I'm gonna have to make more updates in the coming days for this crypto. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel to get notified every time I upload. Again, turn on the bell notifications as well. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Jito to hit the $5 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. On that note, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.